Hi everyone, in this lesson we will go over how to unfold a rectangular prism, which is the net of the prism. So let's begin with the box right here. Notice how if you unfold the box, the top right here is the same as the bottom. So top and bottom are identical. Notice how the front right here will be the same size as the back based on the color coding. And the side right here, left side and right side are the same sizes per the color coding. This tells you that you only need to know the front, top, and side of the shape because the back, bottom, and left are all the same sizes. Now, how do you draw a net of a rectangular prism? Let's follow the steps and see if we can do it. So let's first identify and draw the top. So in our case, the top is this box right here, slanted. If we were to take the dimensions, this will be 1.5, so is this. That means the box we need to draw will be a square, and the side dimensions will be 1.5 by 1.5. The next step is to draw the front, and then followed by the bottom and back. The front will be the one that's facing you. The dimension for this will be 1.5 and 0.5 from here. That means we have to draw a skinny box. We already have the 1.5 right here. So all we need is at the 0.5 from the side, followed by the bottom, which if you remember, the top and bottom will be the same exact size. So all we need is to trace the box off the top to be the bottom, which they are the same dimensions. So I'm going to leave the information blank. And the back will be the same as the front. So all we need is to draw this again to be the back. And the last thing we need to do is to add the left and right side to anywhere along the side. It is actually more common to add it to the second box. So let's take this and add it to the second box. The dimension for this will be 1.5 and 0.5. And again, because they are the same size, all I need is repeat the same thing on the right side. Given that we have drawn the net of the prism, how do we find the surface area? As a reminder from above, top equals to bottom, left equals to right, front equals to back. That means if I know what the top measure is, left measure is, and front measure is, I can just repeat the information for the bottom, right, and back. So let's see. This is the top that we need to find. This is the left, and this is the front. So with the given information, the top will equal to 1.5 times 1.5, which is 2.25. We got that. The left side is 1.5 by 0.5. So left is 1.5 times 0.5, which is 0.75. And the front will be 0.5 by 1.5. So front equals to 0.5 times 1.5, which is the same thing as the left. So we will still get 0.75. Bottom, right, and back will be the same to its matching part, which means the bottom will be 2.25, the right side will be 0.75, and the back will be 0.75. If you add all these numbers together, so this is the first part in here, times 2, you will get 3.75 times 2, which will give you 7.50 square feet because we are doing surface area. The most important thing in this lesson is that top and bottom have the same measurement, so it's front and back and left and right. Once you get the top, front, and left, you can just times 2 to get the complete surface area of a rectangular prism. That's it for the lesson.